Hola, new video very quickly, just telling you what you're gonna do this week. And this is just a very quick informational video. You may or may not need it, but I just decided to put it there just in case. These are your activities. They are gonna be posted on May 12th and they are due on May 19th. So this week you're gonna have to complete 3 quizzes. I put the links for the quizzes on your activity, so you just need to click there and it's going to take you directly to the quiz. You go there, you type your answers, and when you complete your quiz, you give me your score.
Me gusta esquiar.
Okay. Practicar deportes.
Me gusta practicar deportes.
All right. I forgot the period on that one. Me gusta patinar. Okay. All right.
Me gusta patinar.
Okay. So you're just gonna get the score for that. When you get the score, you send it to me like we are usually doing. So you put the score for the first quiz, the score for your second quiz, and the score for your third quiz, and that's all for the quizzes. So you have to do that. Now I'm going to explain you how to do these pages very quickly because you're going to be using your vocabulary that you already know what it is, section 8 on your Canvas page. So you have these activities, I forgot which ones they are. Page 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So that means from here to the end of the chapter. So the first one is asking you cómo es. So in this one, you're talking about somebody else. How somebody or what somebody is like. What somebody else is like. So, for example, you're going to say about this kid. This kid looks like he's studying a lot. So you're going to write, es estudioso. And then it turns green. And it's going to turn green. Do not forget to start with es. Do not forget to start with a capital letter. And do not forget to finish the sentence with a period. So that will give you that one right. The next one is 16. For 16, you're going to match the opposite. So if somebody is ordenado, organized, what is the opposite for that? That would be somebody who is not organized, disorganized. So I drop this one and this one together and they disappear. They are going to disappear for bueno, good. The opposite is malo, bad. For gracioso, the opposite is serio. What happens if I do the wrong one? It takes it. So you need to be careful that you are doing it right, because then you miss that one. You have one mistake. Okay. And let's go with the next one, 17. This is to talk about what you are like and what others are like. So it says answer the questions in complete sentences based on the cues in parentheses. So this one is me asking you, ¿cómo eres? What are you like? ¿Cómo eres? So you're going to say, I am, and then you're going to use this word. So to say that, you say, yo soy atrevido. Do not forget to put the period. ¿Cómo eres? Okay, something's not working here. I put yo. Let's don't put yo, sino just only soy. Soy atrevido. ¿Cómo eres? So if they are asking you ¿cómo eres? You say soy and then whatever adjective they give you here. And okay, that's for that one. All of them are asking about you. So you say soy, 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 and just the adjective. Okay, the next one is ¿cómo se llama? So this one, many people have nicknames. Answer the questions in complete sentences using the nicknames from the list that correspond to full names in parentheses. So we are going to try to figure out which one is for which. This one is a little challenging, but I know you can do it. So this one says, ¿cómo se llama? And if her name is Teresa, I assume that se llama, and this structure is in your vocabulary. Tere. and then period, and it turned green. So for Roberto, it would be probably Beto, Gabriela, Gabi, and so on. So you're just gonna figure out. If you have questions, you can always ask me. And the last one says, using the cues provided, answer the questions in complete sentences. Example, a Susana le gusta trabajar. So in this case, it's not Susana, but Estefania. So I'm going to put Estefania le gusta. What is she doing? Oh, she's using the computer. So le gusta usar la computadora. A Estefanía le gusta usar la computadora. It didn't work. Maybe she likes to work. It doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to try to find the answer. Okay, I found a mistake. The mistake is that I didn't see that this I is the special character I, and I didn't have it, but it's usar la computadora. So, Estefanía le gusta usar la computadora in a period. What does he like to do? He likes to play the guitar. So, a Ricardo le gusta tocar la guitarra, period. And that will be it. Okay, that was a quick video. So you can use it for your activities for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me. Be in touch. Bye.